Hey guys, so I'm planning to prank my parents and tell them that I'm planning to move out. No, brace yourselves because I mean, it's not like I did strip naked or anything, but I'm in my towel and I did it that way so it can look more believable. Like if I was actually dressed and thing, then probably wouldn't, they would have probably take me worse, less serious, you know? So that's why, because I just come out of the show and I was like, yes, alright, it's more homey, it feel more, you know? So let me know what you guys think about it, and let me know if your parents share the same views. Like, I think it's so crazy that, you know, because my mom is a Christian and my dad isn't, like I'll always have split, you know, perceptions on things. So it's kind of crazy, and I get where my mom is coming from, but I still want to move out eventually because, you know, I like my own space, and I realize that, you know, like the older I get, I'm trying to, you know, I spend less time, you know, with them. Like, I spend less time here at home. I'm more at my boyfriend's house or working. Well, I work mostly, but like, I'd go to his house and, you know what I mean? You know, I'm not to do with him, but like, I feel like I'm growing away from like my room. I'm going away from my home, and I just want my space, you know? Like, I think it's something that has to do with, you know, growing and aging and maturing. So let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you guys had the same experience like when you decided to break it to your parents that you're definitely gonna move out. And yeah, so check it out. So I wanted to tell you from last week, but I am planning to move out by next week. Okay. Yeah. So I just said, you know, you don't know I'll move from tonight. Mommy, I'm very serious about it. I'm moving out by next week. I get a nice little space that I can have the living room is big, so I can have my business there as well. Okay. Where is that? In Havenville. How come near Meadowbrook? How convenient. Is that your father? Okay. Go tell your father. Why you give me that look? No, go tell your father. Mommy, come here. What? Man, already. Why you give me that look? What can I look with you? That look. What can I look? Are you tearing me? Oh. Contact! No, sir. Oh, you got your opinion after all. Contact. Oh. You want to tell me yourself or you want to let me tell you? I can tell him. Yeah? I can tell him. Okay. Daddy, come here. No, you have to come here. Come here, now, Daddy. I want to talk to you. Come on, Daddy. There's nobody in my room. So I've been meaning to tell you from you and Mommy from last week. I'm thinking of moving out by next week.
Excuse me?
Yeah. Go on. What do you mean for what? Joe, we can't do a prank in peace. Seriously? Then they come in my room and find the camera on. Like, who does that? Jesus Christ.
You're actually. Mommy! Are you. What's she saying? Are you tearing up?
It's not funny.
I said, oh, I'm so teary inside.
It's not funny.
Actually, I know. Why she takes it long? Why you have sense?
No,
Ah,
because I'm just scared that I'm saying I'm going to go right here, so go on that bike, so you can't go and think.
It's not funny, guys. You guys should really take it serious. What if I move out for you one day?
Huh? One day? Of course, yes.
No, like soon, like maybe end of the year.
This is the test. By the end of the year,
Or maybe next year.
we shall have that room. What shall we be doing in that room?
Are you guys serious right now?
Okay, I'm going to transform it.
Are you guys serious?
Wait! We are going to transform the room, okay?
That's not funny.
Seriously? That's why I'm not going anywhere until you're married.
Hold on. What you mean?
So I'm going to until you're married. When you getting married?
I want to move up before I get married because I want my own business place.
You have your own business place.
No.
I'm not saying that you move out, you're moving in your own house.
You know your own place. You're not going to rent no place.
Yeah, but it's going to be for business as well.
So you leave out of your house, you're not parent and a parent? You don't understand.
What?
Hello.
Nice.
That jacket are comfortable.
Cotton.
Why you guys taking me for a joke?
Because it's funny.
I seriously would think about something like that though. It would be convenient. Like I'm saying, just like if I'm going to have a business place and I'm paying so much rent, might as well I just like move, like have a little room.
Where? Don't this up? Spider?
It would have to be on the flat and I won't have my clients come on the hill.
That kind of not central though.
No, I wouldn't do somewhere in Havendale.
Not central.
Havendale would not be central. I would try to get somewhere closer to Halfway Tree.
Halfway Tree.
Because if I can pay rent for all 50, 60, 70,000.
Excuse me.
Hey, touch me, Cotton! You not touch me! Me say you not touch me. I remember light and water in that. I'm liking the sound of that, Shaph.
Mommy, you know sound. Where is the support?
Step up the minute you go on here.
Hey.
Where is the support?
See, I'm being here, right? I support you.
What? No, I'm so serious, Daddy.
Being here. Rock and
So want me if I'm ready for move out? What you said, Daniel? Don't it? Exactly, don't it? Don't it? Me reach the age now.
You reach it yet from
Far
your
past
20s.
the
Me
age.
say.
Oh my God! See that Daniel saying
Far
that.
past the age. But Shaph, when it's wedding time, they
No, mommy, I want to move up before that.
don't think that's a good idea. That's too much open doors.
Open doors for what?
Figure it out. Sleep out. Sleepovers. Baby born in wedlock.
Outside of wedlock, mommy.
Outside of wedlock.
No, that's not going to happen.
What I'm saying. Outside of wedlock and all these things.
And all these things, you turn mackerel.
And all these things.
No, not right. My mother never put me on. Never. Will never.
Daniel, seriously?
I woke up at 8, by the way. I just woke up now.
You just woke up looking hot, huh? You understand?
I told you guys, you know, people have to get together, you know. When I wake up, I am together.
What is that? I can't see it. I can't see what kind of fish.
Let the fish that look dead.
Hey, run over with that, yeah, man. Where go that?
Daddy that look dead.
You're the your one. Do the other fish where you have. Hey, me say, this is really a cheap ass look at doing now. You have the parrot them. You have the grunt. You have the turbot. Me don't know where else with snapper. Name it. You have lobster along there and you want to go cook. Frostbite. Fish pieces. Hey, watch it.
Is that how you really feel, mommy?
You are so...
Can't put something just come in.
Watch out. You can't cook up this one. Really?
Yeah.
No, not that. That's a trap for dog food.
Excuse me?
You heard me. Your excuse. Love you.
You're right.
Daddy, that was a warning.
You can't just leave so it's a warning.
But that was a warning. Hello?
You have to give a warning, seriously, Carlton?
I don't need any warning.
What kind of encouragement is that?
See, that is on my side, guys. That is on my side.
You're on no side run here, so.
Their side, because daddy want me move out. You see daddy trying to get rid of me. You want me to move out?
Hey, you're on your own, nigga. Sorry.